read each and every comment, and you guys have been on me to make this video. So I broke down and I went ahead and made it, okay? Y'all have been asking me, how do I layer my fragrances? You want to know the tea on the tea on the tea? Well, girl, we're going to go ahead and get into it. Now, let me say, first of all, I don't feel that layering can necessarily be wrong unless you're not cleansing your skin, exfoliating your skin, moisturizing your skin before layering. Other than that, it's all about what makes you feel good and how you like to smell, okay? So it's basically that. Now, some people like me, I love delving a little bit deeper into finding opposites and what goes with what and making new scents, and I love it, okay? But today I'm just going to basically give you my whole routine. It's going to be simple. I don't really want to make it about a shower routine, but I do need to show you how I do it. Just some quick clips. So before we get to that, I want to show you guys what I shower with, okay? So before I even start with a body wash, I always go in with an antibacterial soap, Dial. We all grew up on the Dial, okay? Either Dial or Dove. Now, this Dove is not antibacterial, but it does work well for me. I just love it, okay? Dove is like, especially the white bar, it's going to get you clean. And this Dial, this is a yellow bar, but you can use any color you want. I use the yellow. It's going to get that bacteria off of you. You have to really start with clean skin. Yeah, I use these. Now, I use this with a washcloth. So you're going to have a couple of different utensils in your shower. So I start with a washcloth and a bar. Next up, you guys, I wanted to get a new one to demonstrate because this is what I use. And honey, she is like really ragged, but this is like a loofah. Okay, you see that? And it has handles. So I love this because you can scratch your back. You can, you can go all the way around your body with this. And it's like a loofah. It's kind of rough. You can see that, but it's not too rough. It's like those little gloves. Those gloves, I love this. Now I know you can use several different kind of things. You can use a sponge. I like this one because it gets in there like a rag, okay? It's really, really good. Your hair holds odors, and using a shampoo frequently, I would say once or twice a week, is what really will help you smell clean too. So I use just any, I purchased this. This is Kim Kimball. It has the freshest, cleanest scent, and it just leaves my hair smelling so good. Oh, I love it. I got it for $5.59. I also have a moisturizer that goes with this. Y'all, this smells so good. Just any kind of clean, fresh shampoo. And when my hair is natural, as a refresher, I go in with Camille Rose, and this is Honeydew. Curl, it leaves my hair smelling so good. Charosa's body mists are also hair mist. So you can spray this on your hair and it will not damage your hair, won't cause any problems, and just leaves you smelling delicious. So it's all about what you have and, just trying to stay super duper clean. So you guys, this is something I don't know if anybody else does, but who loves a good hot shower? We all do. I love that hot steamy water. I feel like it cleanses me a little bit better. But what I do also is before I get out of the shower, I turn the water all the way down to cold. It's not for the weary, let me tell you that, okay? But if you do that, it actually closes your pores. The warm water opens your pores. The cold water closes your pores, and it also gives you this invigorating energy, and it awakens you. I feel like it just prepares you for the day. I don't know, but sometimes I feel like it preps my skin for scent better because I've already done my shower routine for today, and honey, I smell and feel amazing. Let me tell you that. But these videos that I'm showing you now are not the products that I use today, but it's just giving you a glimpse of how I shower. Here's a quick little shower routine for you guys. I go in with a bar soap, then a body wash, nice and foamy, getting clean. Okay, then I use my choice of body scrub. This is Onyx Bath House. Look how foamy it is. I love Onyx Bath House. Getting all that dead skin off. Quick shave. Before I get out of the shower, still wet, I go in with an oil. It leaves your skin glistening, shining, soft. It's moisturized before you even dry off. Before I go any further, let me just show you the combination that I'm wearing today. Okay friends, so this combination, as you can see, is one that I created. You can use to lessen a note in the perfume maybe that you don't like. So let's say if you have Camera but you don't like cinnamon, pineapple offsets that cinnamon. Okay, it really does make a big difference. So that's why I use pineapple body care. I've already washed, scrubbed, moisturized with an oil, so I'm going to use my pineapple punch body, and I have a sweet pineapple oil. I'm just going to demonstrate really how you can just take a little bit of your oil. Now I've already oiled down, and I take a little bit of the oil, mix it in, okay, and then just moisturize on your skin. Smells really good. I feel moisturized. Let me just move my hair back a little bit because I've already sprayed my body all over with this. I mean liberally. I liberally spray, but just to demonstrate with clothes. I don't have any problem with that. Just spray. Spray very liberally to last, okay? Okay friends, so that pineapple body care as a layer, as a base layer, is really going to help offset the cinnamon from Camera. Okay, so I will spray Camera very strategically, like here on my shoulder, like here. Only a couple of sprays, kind of behind me, kind of off of my shoulders. Okay, so let's say I wanted to go in with another fragrance. Let's say Kuwait Alpha Sun. Kuwait Alpha Sun has pineapple in it as well, but I want to smell more of this than the Camera. So what I would do is spray it maybe behind my ear, okay, maybe here, there on my clothes. I would just spray the most of what I want to smell on my wrist, here in between the elbow. I would just spray it all over. Whatever I want to smell the most is what I most liberally would spray. And I'm getting it. It smells so good. It was my body care that is basically all over. Pineapple scented, everything body care all over. And then I would spray one perfume strategically in certain areas, another perfume strategically in another area. Rarely do I ever just lay them on top of each other. Sometimes I may spray one here, another one here. Depends on how much time I have, to be honest. If I have time, I will really play with it and spray it strategically throughout and just get that whole vibe, because every time you move, it's just gonna flow. You know what I'm saying? So basically that's how I layer fragrances that are different. Now let's talk a little bit more about similar fragrances. Layering the same note is super duper easy, and it's almost foolproof. There is really not anything I would say that you can do too much wrong with this layering, okay? Because you have vanilla, let's just say vanilla. You could take chocolate, strawberry, cherry. It doesn't matter. As long as you're layering the same scent, it's all going to just flow. And it's super easy. It is so easy, you guys. Just start with the vanilla body wash, a vanilla oil, a vanilla lotion or body cream, a vanilla spray, vanilla perfume. It's so easy, and it is true to make sure that your combo is going to last, because you're just going to be smelling like vanilla all day. And then don't carry a vanilla hand cream or a vanilla hand sanitizer, girl, okay? You're just going to be smelling amazing all day. It's so easy. It's no thought involved. Just to kind of pull all your vanillas, put them together, and smell great. So guys, this fragrance wheel can really help you out too. It breaks it down for you. There are basically 4 types of fragrances. There's the fresh, woody, amber, as well as floral. So what you can see is from the florals, there's broken down into fruity, floral, and soft floral. So you can mix those 3 together and they're going to smell amazing. Or if you're daring like me, you can go across the board to the other side, to the woods, okay? And therefore you can mix a mossy woods with a floral, and you're going to come up with something beautiful. Or you can mix a fruity floral with a dry woods or a woods, and you're going to come up with something simply amazing. So I hope this helps you out. Complementary layering is one of my favorite ways to layer. I mean, love it, okay? Because that's where you can really have fun. So I just start with the perfume. I always start my combination with a perfume. That's what I do, okay? Unless I'm focusing on a body mist, then I might start with a mist. But I decide what perfume I want to wear for the day, and I check that way. I often check notes to make sure that it's going to blend for me, because I have a funny nose and not everything goes for me. I can pick up things that sometimes it just doesn't go for me. So this is just for me. You have to do what works for you. But for me, I check notes. So this one is ARRIE. This is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance, you guys. I believe it's like $17, and it is a beast. Let me tell you that. But it's so pretty to me. My husband, I had some on the other day, and at first he was like, I don't think I like that one, because it reminded him of one that I had that he didn't like. But when I started layering it, he said, I like it better now. I like that now. So just never give up on your fragrance, girl. Just keep trying until you can find something that works for you. So with ARRIE, this perfume, it has some bergamot in there that's very citrusy. It has some peach, but the base notes, girl, is having amber, and it has ebony wood, some sugar. I think it has a coconut. It's just so pretty, and it's fruity, but it's a beast, but it's fruity at the same time. And look at the bottle. I think she's so pretty. I haven't been wearing it enough. I do have a small little dent coming in there, but girl, I really like this fragrance. In the winter, this is going to be one of my go-tos. It's going to be up there with Camera. It's going to be up there with some of my others that are just like really beast mode. This is that girl. So I started with this, and then of course it has some sugar. It's really honey. It's really sweet. So I decided to just add in a little of the honey oil. This is from Victoria's Secret. I love this scent, okay? So I started with the oil right out of the shower, just as I mentioned before. Oh, I failed to mention to you guys, you saw the clip beforehand, but I wanted citrus to be my backup. So I started with my Walking on Sunshine by Onyx Bathhouse, and yeah, this smells so good. It's like tangerine, lemon, Oh, it smells so good. This is she. It is so good. Citrus based. And like I said, I love Onyx Bathhouse Scrub. You saw how foamy it was. It's really, really good. Alright, so then I went in with my tone, and this is the Mango Splash. Now, I went in with the mango. It's citrus too. It's giving citrus, but if you have lemon, you can go with lemon. I just like to play around, okay? I play a lot. So I went in with the mango because my body mist is going to have mango. But I didn't want a mango lotion, so I just went in with my Sun Wash Citrus. Y'all, girl, this is that girl for me. I mean, my tube is like right here already. I just got it this summer. I use this a lot, and as much as I have, I probably shouldn't be this low. I think it's even lower than that. I think it's like, it's getting close to halfway. But this has notes of sugared lemons and mandarin and agave nectar. It is so good. Ooh, it's so good to me. It is just so good for sweetening any combo, like a sweet sugared lemon. That's what this gives. Alright, so I definitely wanted to add that. And then I went in with my Golden Mango Lagoon. I told you guys I'm trying to use some of my summer scents before it gets too cool. And I haven't been using her, and this combination rocked. Okay, so Golden Mango Lagoon has Sunny Mango, Saltwater Woods, Coral Blooms. Ooh, girl, it's so good. It's so good. I really enjoyed this combo. I enjoy all my combos, y'all, I have to say, because I really put a lot of time and effort and thought into making them to be what I like. And I'm just glad that you guys like them too. That's just a bonus, you know what I'm saying? But you got to do what you like for you. These are just some of the ways that I do. And you don't have to have this stuff. I do this for video purposes. I have a lot for video purposes, but basically when it comes down to what I'm wearing, when I want to wear it, it's going to be what I want to wear for me for that day. So what you have, you make the best of that. Make it work for you. You don't have to go spend a whole lot of money to smell amazing, you guys. You can have the same combo day after day after day, or you can have 2 or 3 sets and alternate them and still smell amazing, girl. And I just want to say, living in the world we live in is so masculine. Just don't ever forget to stay feminine, to bathe your body, take care of your body, to shave your legs, you know, just exfoliate that dry, dead skin. Even if you can't afford to get your feet done, if you can't afford to get your nails done, paint your nails, moisturize those feet. You know, paint your toes. I'm telling you this for me too, because sometimes we're living in a world that is so masculine, it will take away your femininity. And that's what makes you you. So just don't let that happen. You know, especially with me coming from a job where I was helping to build cars, and I'm not gonna lie, you know, sometimes I feel very strong. I feel very broad shoulder, big back. I mean, it's what your job required you to do, right? So I just wanted to leave that with you guys. I like to leave you with some positivity. I hope my videos are positive, but I wanted to leave you with that thought. Always stay feminine. Always take care of you. Even when you're tired, you know, find that time for yourself to do that extra body care, to do that little exfoliation, to oil down. It makes you feel amazing. I promise you'll feel better. I promise you'll feel better. Just take that time for yourself. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You've been asking for this, and here it is, girl. This is your layering video. This is how I layer. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know, girl, what are you layering? Leave me any kind of fruit. Let me know that you made it all the way through to the end. I truly appreciate you. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.